Hi everyone, I'm Lorena. Today I will be talking to you about after-sales services. So when you think about after-sales service, you usually think about that. Here at Tesalys, it's a core part of what we do. It's not just about fixing the issues, it's also about helping our customers every day in the way they use their machines. So let's go inside and meet Sylvain and Romain and ask them a few questions. So now I am with Sylvain and Romain. Hi guys, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So my first question is, how do you help your clients become more independent in their day-to-day operations?
We run in-depth technical training session at our facilities with hands-on practice on the equipment. The idea is to make sure users really understand how everything works.
Exactly. We focus a lot on practical learning so they can handle routine tasks and even carry out first-level maintenance on their own.
And so do you only work on site?
Not at all. We also provide remote support.
Whether it's by phone or video, we can quickly assess the situation, guide our clients, and solve many issues without needing to travel, wherever they are.
And what happens in case there is an emergency?
Oh, if needed, we can step in on site sometimes very quickly.
Our priority is always the same. Avoid downtime and keep operations running smoothly.
Very much for answering our questions.
You're welcome, Rowena.
Thank you. Have a good day. So as you have seen at Tesalys, after-sales service is not just about reacting. It's also about ensuring that our clients operate with confidence every single day. Tell us in the comments what you would like to see next. Thank you.